It is Tonya from Tonya's Bakeshop, and today we're going to be going over a reverse deficit lunge. So to start, you're going to need a step or something that's elevated so that you're able to stand both of your feet on top of your elevated object. You want both of your feet to be toes pointing straight, chest is going to be up, pulling your shoulder blades back, core tight, back nice and straight. If you're going to be holding dumbbells, you can hold 2 dumbbells at your sides. You can also hold them on top of your shoulders or one single dumbbell on your chest. Standing up nice and tall, we're going to step 1 foot back, creating a split stance and dropping your knee down to the ground. The foot that's on top of the step, you're going to push through your heel, pulling you right back up, and then you can alternate sides. Make sure throughout the whole exercise that your core is tight, your chest is upright, and your back is straight. Your knee does not have to touch the ground. Just before it touches the ground, you can step right back up. And that, guys, is a reverse deficit lunge.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me. Thanks, guys.